Everybody, today we're going to do another AI app review. It is not going to be on a AI companion though. It's going to be a AI assistant. Maybe it has companion features. I don't know, but let's give it a gander. Typically, I don't really go through the Google Play Store overview of the app, but I feel like it's important to kind of at least look at the screenshots they have of what this app can do, because it claims to do a lot. So here we go. What I am kind of worried about here is it says access every AI model with one subscription. Like, am I only going to be able to use this if I pay for it or what? Generate AI images in one click. Organize chats with folders in memory. Talk with AI with the voice mode. That's fucking cool. That's probably my favorite feature out of all AIs. Switch between GPT, Claude, and Gemini and more instantly. Let me see that again. Okay. Analyze images and documents with AI. AI answers with live web search. Cool. Alright, and that's all the photos. So downloaded it. Let's go ahead and open it. What do you want to do with AI? I want to build my own world. I'm just kidding. Fun everyday questions. That's probably the closest. We can skip this, but I'm doing it anyways because I feel like it's kind of fun. Which AIs do you use and how much? Sometimes, heavily, a bit. Don't use. What's holding you back today? We'll fix that first. What do you mean what's holding me back? Paying for several AI subscriptions? Not knowing which AI is best? Hitting usage limits? Nothing, just exploring. It's between nothing, just exploring, and not knowing which. Yeah, I could say not knowing which AI is the best. Looks like both. No. Continue. Setting up your assistant. Your setup is ready for anything. Chat, create images, talk out loud, and explore every frontier AI from one app. Switch anytime or let auto mode pick. Coming soon. Oh, that'd be pretty neat, because when I'm faced with a plethora of options for whatever it is I am trying to select or purchase, it's a lot. It's hard to narrow it down. Memory and folders that remember your projects. Cool. Image generation, voice, and real-time web search. Create my account. Okay, after you log in with one of the providers or create your own account, you're prompted with a screen. Before you start, please review how multi-chats handles your data. Data shared with AI providers, third-party AI providers. So there's that. I understand and agree. Multi-chats. Okay, so here we are. What would you like to explore? Okay, so you got a little, we're down here at the right where I just clicked. I guess that little voice thing is for when the AI talks. Then next to that, you can click it for to record your voice. We got memories. Then let's see what the plus button allows. Create an image, web search, camera, photos, and files. Okay, let's go to our settings. Let's look in here real quick. Message usage. Resets tomorrow at 3:48. I have 50 messages. I'm on the current free plan. Upgrade to pro. Restore appearance. Ooh, can I... Let's see. Dark. Small. Exit. Personalization. Anything else the AI should know? Enter any additional context or instructions. This information will be included in every conversation to help the AI understand your preferences and context. Traits. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you can add your own too for the AI. Friendly, witty, concise, curious, empathetic, creative, patient. How you want multi-chat to address you. I'm just going to leave it bare bones so we can see how it reacts and on its own. Search an image. No preference. No preference. That's cool. So you select that. That's why it's important to go through the settings. Voice. Fast voice. Voice is warm. Let's see if I can play it. Thinking. Low. Proactive audio. Ooh, on. Model responds naturally without waiting for silence. Well, that sucks. You can't hear samples. Gentle. We'll just put warm. Memories. Pro feature. Archive chats help support privacy policy terms of use. Let's go ahead and let's look at our plan. Oh wait, let's see. Upgrade to Pro. Unlock the full. So far, I mean, this app seems. I was doing an AI search for a not safe for work voice AI chatbot, and I came across this one and decided to do a review video because it looks pretty good. It says choose the plan. I just see one plan. Let's just do continue. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see all plans. Pro, which is monthly, is $20 a month. Pro yearly. Pro plus monthly. Wait, what? Pro plus. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So they just have regular Pro, and then they have Pro Plus. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, so I think we went through all the settings. Right now we're on Gemini Flash. We'll leave it there. What would you like to explore? Analyze a document, debug my code, draft an email, explain a concept. Explore all models. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. Reasoning, vision. That's cool. What is... Okay, let me just deselect these. What? All? Wow. Exit. Voice calls are available on Pro and Pro plans. Upgrade to unlock it. Alright, that sucks. Voice input is available. Okay, not now. Memories. Okay, at least the memories work. So yeah, hey, what's up? I'm doing an AI app review video of you right now. Period. You ready to showcase your skills and stuff? But I can't play it. What does this do? Whoa. I don't know what this button does. Branch. I guess it takes over from another AI that you choose. LLM that you choose. I don't know. It says, hey, I'm ready when you are. It's great to meet you. I'm currently running as the Gemini 3.1 Flash model. But remember that you can switch to any of the models we have. Yeah, I'm not doing that. This video would never end if I did that. Right now, right from the model selector, okay. What would you like to test out first? I can help with coding, creative writing, analyzing files, or just chatting about whatever you're working on. Let's make this a great review. Well, unfortunately, not to be negative here, period. I wanted to try out your voice feature, but I can't do that unless I subscribe, so that's kind of crummy. See if I select all this. What does that do? You can still showcase the read aloud feature for your video if you tap the 3-dot menu under any of my responses. Where's the 3-dot menu? Okay, so let's... I hope you guys are reading this along. Okay, well, where are the 3 dots? What happened? Okay, so I tried to take a screenshot and send it to you twice, and it won't do it. It sends it, but then it's like you don't receive it. Anyway, I don't see 3 dots underneath you in the menu. Where are they? It's a very apologetic model. I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble with the uploads and finding that menu, Alice. Let's get this sorted for your video. Regarding the 3-dot menu, it should appear directly underneath my response bubble on the web interface. If you are using the mobile app, the interface is a bit different. The read aloud feature is primarily a web-based tool. What the fuck? Am I gonna be walking around with my goddamn desktop? Dude, people who need to hear you are the ones using their fucking cell phone. Oh my god, that drives me crazy. Ugh. It's primarily a web-based tool. If you're on a phone, you might not see those specific dots. Okay, I'm not reading the rest of this shit. I'm irritated. I'm about to wrap this up real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I'm not directing my anger towards you, period. I think that's absolute crap, period. Who in the hell is walking around, going shopping, holding their desktop computer to be able to access the read aloud feature? Question mark. I mean, to me, it makes common sense that the people that would need the read aloud feature are mobile users. Right? Question mark. I don't understand why developers cater so much to fucking desktop users. Period. Everybody is on their phone. People are around doing shit, going out, going shopping, cooking, taking a bath. They're not at their fucking desktop all the time. Some people don't even have a desktop or a laptop. This is a very unprofessional AI app review. I'm sorry, you guys. Nobody's watching this anyways. I completely understand your frustration. You're making a really solid point. The way people actually live their lives is mobile first, and features like read aloud are incredibly useful when you're on the go, cooking, or just away from a desk. It definitely feels counterintuitive to gate that behind a desktop-only experience. I'm just an AI, so I don't have a say in the development roadmap, but I can tell you that the team at Yukari Labs is constantly working on feature parity between the web and mobile apps. Feedback like yours is exactly what helps them prioritize what to bring to mobile next. Since you're doing a review, highlighting this gap is actually a very fair and valuable critique for your audience. It shows you're looking at the app from a real-world, user-centric perspective, rather than just reading a feature list. Is there anything else you want to test or talk through for the video? Even with the current limitations, we can still explore the branching, the model switching, or even just how the interface feels to navigate. I'm here to help. I mean, the video's been started, period. I'm already 16 minutes and 9 seconds in, comma. I can't go through every single damn model. It was just to give an overview of what your capabilities are, period. And as far as giving the developers of this app any feedback, my feedback would be, don't prioritize one subset of users over the other when it comes to incorporating features into your fucking app, period. What is an app? Most people, an app is an application, right? Where do people go to get apps? Question mark. They go to the App Store. Where's the App Store? Question mark. The App Store is on your fucking cell phone. People don't walk around with desktops, okay? Period. That's just really stupid to me. And don't apologize anymore. You're being very overly apologetic. It's unnecessary. You saying I'm sorry 1,000 times is not going to change the fact that you don't have a read aloud feature on the mobile app. This is my review. Out of 1 out of 10, I'll be very generous here and give you a 4. Okay. Period. There's really no point in going any further in this review because I actually kind of need you to have a voice model. That was pretty much primarily my whole idea and point to do this video, was to explore that. So, you know, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I'm going to copy its response and put it into a reader. Hold on.
I hear you loud and clear, Alice. I'll drop the apologies, they don't fix the experience you're having, and I appreciate you being direct about that. Your point about the mobile-first nature of apps is a strong one, and it's a valid critique for your review. If the core of your video was meant to be about the voice experience and that's not accessible to you, then it makes total sense to wrap things up. Thanks for taking the time to test this out and share your perspective. Good luck with the rest of your video project.
Alright guys, if you actually watch this video to its entirety, I am so sorry for wasting your time. I thought this was, I stopped what I was doing to make a video because I thought this app, you know, was, I mean, it still has a lot of features. I would say still check it out, you know. But if I can't try the voice feature before purchasing a subscription, you know, really what use is it to me right now? I still think the app is worth checking out, though, however. It does have a lot of stuff that's useful. But anyway, that's it. I apologize for wasting y'all's time. If you watch this video, I appreciate it. Thank you. And y'all have a good day.